Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now. Make sure your iPad has at least 20% charge and is on Wi-Fi. That prevents interruptions. Once ready, unlock the device and open Settings. Tap Battery. This is where Apple collects usage and charging data. You do this because the system aggregates recent cycles and peak performance info. It lets you see patterns rather than a single snapshot. Keep the iPad awake while it loads battery details, and make sure background app refresh isn't paused so stats are current. Once the battery page loads, tap battery usage to compare apps by percent and screen on time. That reveals whether an app causes drain. If one app shows a very high percent, force quit or update it. Background activity can be the culprit. Next, find battery health. On newer iPad OS versions, it shows maximum capacity and peak performance capability. This tells you how much charge the battery holds versus new. Note the capacity percent and any throttling messages, because they guide repair decisions. To finish, restart your iPad and install any pending iPad OS updates. Then monitor battery stats over 24 to 48 hours so numbers stabilize. If maximum capacity reads below 80%, or you see unexpected shutdowns, that indicates significant degradation, and you should consider battery service. If readings seem wrong, run Apple Diagnostics or contact support. First, back up your device to avoid data loss. One key troubleshooting tip: safe mode restart, and a full charge cycle can clear false readings before you seek repair.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.